Good morning, everyone. Okay, today ma'am is going to tell you a very nice story. This is a dove and the dove's small little babies. There was a dove who used to live on a tree with his small babies. See, there's so many babies. This is the mama dove and these are the babies. One day, what happened when the dove went to get some food for the babies? Okay, he went flying. She went flying, and she went to get some food for the babies. And the babies were all alone in the nest. Then what happened? There was a hunter who was hunting for these small little babies. He came close, and you know what he did? He put a net. He had a net in his hand. He put the net and went to the nest and took all the babies. He took away all the babies. See? And all the babies were crying, mama. They were crying. He took away all the babies. Then what happened? The mama came from very far flying, and the mama was crying, my babies. Why are you taking my babies? And the hunter was not listening. And the hunter took away the babies. Then what? You know what the mama did? Mama went. She had very sharp teeth. She went, she cut, she, oh God, she cut all the net and the babies became free. So the mama baby and the little babies became free and they went back happy to the nest. See, now they are all happy. See, the mama baby got back all the babies and the mama was very happy. Okay. So what she did? She took care of the babies and she brought them back from the hunter. Okay. So what do we learn from the moral of the story? We should take care of everyone. Mama takes care of all of you, right? So we should take care of mama also. Okay, we should love our mama because mama takes care of all of us. So the dove was very attached to the baby and the dove took all the babies away from the hunter and she set them free. What did she do? She set the babies free and brought back to the nest. Then they were living happily together. Okay? Mama dove was attached to the babies, right? Too much attachment is also not very good.